And the outside, just as beautiful, just as luxurious. Beautiful thick build on these spindles. They're locked down now. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. Super pretty. Super pretty color. Beautiful deck. Absolutely stunningly beautiful. Look how beautiful. Wow. Gorgeous. The thick build elastomer. Fight splinter. Splinter lock technology. Not a lot of splinters going on this bad boy anymore. Look at that. Look at this thick build. It just encapsulates the bolts and everything. Beautiful. Beautiful. All down through there. Super beautiful. Super beautiful rails. The railing system is insanely gorgeous. Wow, look how pretty. This deck turned out absolutely stunningly beautiful. Check it out. Killer. Thick build elastomer. It's what you need.